Most people think working harder is the only way to get rich. But in today's AI era, the real wealth is created by working smarter. I've tested over 500 AI tools across multiple businesses, and in this video, I'm sharing the 10 tools that actually help you save time, scale faster, and increase profits. Let's dive straight into it. Your Atlas is a voice AI that acts like a salesperson who never sleeps. It automatically calls leads, answers questions, qualifies prospects, and even schedules meetings. Imagine someone fills out a form on your website. Instead of your team calling them later, your Atlas immediately makes that call, engages in conversation, and gets them booked. This speed-to-lead advantage is priceless in business. Automation is the secret weapon of modern businesses. N8 is an open-source workflow tool that connects all your apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, when someone buys from you, it can automatically send a payment confirmation, invite them to a private community, book an onboarding call, trigger follow-up emails. You build it once, and the process runs forever. That means less time on admin and more time on high-value work. Loveable is like having a full development team in your pocket. You simply describe the app, website, or software you want, and it creates a working version for you in minutes. Need a landing page for your business? Done. Want an internal dashboard for clients? Done. The only limit here is your creativity. This tool can turn ideas into products faster than ever before. Revio transforms social media DMs, emails, and text chats into revenue. It helps you score incoming leads, suggest the right messages to send book calls directly from chat. Instead of messy spreadsheets and scattered follow-ups, Revio organizes conversations, shows you who's serious, and even suggests the exact words to move the sale forward. Perfect for anyone selling directly on Instagram, LinkedIn, or email. Your network is your net worth. Social Sweep scans your LinkedIn, Instagram, and contacts to reveal powerful connections you didn't even know you had. For example, if you want to get on a specific podcast, it will show you the warmest introductions in your network and even draft the message to send. This tool is like having a personal networking strategist available 24/7. Cash flow is the oxygen of every business, but most people don't track it well. Hello Frank connects to your financial accounts, analyzes transactions, and flags wasted spending. It can instantly answer questions like, where am I losing money? Which tools are unused? How's my daily cash position? By cutting waste and reallocating budgets, you protect margins and scale with confidence. Alicio acts like a chief revenue officer powered by AI. It connects to your CRM, ads, and support tools, then reveals where your best customers are coming from and how to double down. One business discovered that 70% of their clients were based in Texas. By focusing ads only in that state, they tripled their ad performance. This is the kind of insight Alicio delivers instantly. Did you know that 13% of credit card transactions fail? Not because cards are bad, but because of errors in the process. FlexPay uses AI to retry payments smartly without bothering customers. This silent recovery brings back lost revenue every month. Keeping existing customers is always cheaper than chasing new ones, and FlexPay makes sure you don't lose them for preventable reasons. Recruiting takes time, but Hero Hire automates the entire process. It screens applicants, records interview answers, and gives you a ranked shortlist of the best candidates. Instead of reviewing 500 resumes, you only see the top 5 who fit your culture and skill needs. Some companies are cutting hiring timelines from months to just days using Hero Hire. Precision is your always-on data team. It tracks KPIs, spots anomalies, and tells your team exactly what actions to take. Every morning, your team gets one clear scorecard with metrics and next steps. That means no wasted meetings, no guesswork, just focused action based on real numbers. Subscribe to YouTube channel Hubert Blaine AI video. Thanks for watching.